Hi, I'm Andy and I'm going to do a caricature for you today. I just did one of James Martin and we're going to do another one very quickly this time. I'm going to show you a very quick sketch of Michel Roux Jr. So here we go. We're going to open up this A4 portrait and I'm going to drag our character that we're going to caricature today, Mr. Roux Jr. Here we go. We're going to pick up the pen. So if you see where the blue is on calligraphy and then script, that's the marker pen I'm going to use for this. And we're going to do it very quickly because he's cooking a cheese souffle today and it's all about timing. So here we go. We're going to spike up his hair. I'm just going to enlarge this a bit so we can see what his hair is doing. The other caricatures I've spent longer on, but this is a good one to show you how you can really just use a minimal lines, and then I'll talk you through the features. So here we go. He's again an easy one because his eyes are quite very brown and wide awake in this picture. So there's actually quite a wide looking expression. So we'll try to get that in the caricature. And I always like the head a little bit on the angle so I can get a good idea from a photograph what the nose is like. So when I'm working from life, it's much easier because people are moving around, and I actually prefer that as long as they don't run away. That's when problems start. Then I have to chase them around with my pen. So I'm now I'm always keeping the light in the eye, and I'm going to bring that down a little bit more. Let's get rid of that. He really has sort of puppy dog brown eyes, so I'm just going to capture that quite. He's got quite young eyes. The hair and the graying sort of take away his youthful eyes, so we really have a challenge here because I don't want to make him look old, because you can see that he's actually got quite a happy face. There we go. And I can do that by simply limiting the amount of lines. Of course that becomes more of a challenge, and then capturing that smile. So you can probably see already that he's starting to look like him. And it's quite a wide smile on the sides, so that's good. Right, he's got little dimples. Put those in. And then I'm going to be a little bit cruel because he is quite slim. So, and this is a caricature, so we're going to really play on that. So we're going to make his face a little bit longer than we want it to be. Makes him look skinnier, and that's what we're playing on. Caricatures are a little bit cruel. Sadly, a lot of people have very low self-esteem, so they always are surprised how good they look in their caricatures because they think of themselves much worse than they are, and that's always a bit of a shame. Just doing the ears. I once got told off by an art teacher that I don't spend enough time on the ears, and that's actually a good point. If you're going to do a portrait, ears are important. You don't want to leave them out or do them messily, which I used to do because I'm a little bit of a fast worker. Just going to do a few lines here. He's quite white at the top and then dark at the right at the top. Okay, I think we're getting there. So I won't do colour this time. Black and white is a good tradition. And he's doing souffle. I'm going to play also still on the that he's so slim, so that comes in handy when we're drawing a caricature of someone's body. So let me just shrink this down. I just want him to eyes to work. Okay, let's get the sparkle in the right place. Probably a little bit too big. Yeah, really young eyes. Cool. Okay. And let's put him in his little outfit. Here we go. Now he's going to have a souffle, cheese souffle. Of course, that's always the most challenging. There we go. Done to perfection. Do a little apron. I don't know if he wears an apron. And then very skinny legs. I'm sure he doesn't eat souffle. Let's change his hand because we want him to present the cheese souffle. Maybe we'll do it like this. Put the hand there. There, so he's going, et voilà. Bon appétit!